headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs 8th meeting of the Niti Aayog Governing Council. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate new Parliament building tomorrow. VPP Cleariat Circle stages sit-in demonstration on reservation policy. And State Tobacco Control Cell receives prestigious WHO award for exemplary efforts in tobacco control. And now for the news in detail. The 8th meeting of the Niti Aayog Governing Council was held today at the new Convention Centre in Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. The meeting focused on the theme of Viksit Bharat at 2047 role of Team India. The meeting is being presided over by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the chairman of Niti Aayog. The day-long meeting also discussed on the 7 other prominent themes, which include thrust on MSME, infrastructure and investments, minimizing compliances, women empowerment, health and nutrition, skill development and Gati Shakti for area development and social infrastructure. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate and dedicate the newly constructed Parliament building to the nation tomorrow. The new Parliament building is an architectural marvel and stands as a proud symbol of the nation's progress. On Friday, Prime Minister Modi said that the new Parliament building will make every Indian proud. In a tweet, he shared a video which offers a glimpse of the iconic building. He requests people to share the video with their own voiceovers, which conveys their thoughts. He asked people to use the hashtag #MyParliamentMyPride, in which he will retweet some of them. The Voice of the People Cleariat Circle yesterday had a sit-in demonstration at DC campus, which was participated by general public from Cleariat constituency and Sutanga Saipung constituency. The demonstration was held to support the VPP chief Adan Basaimot, who is holding the protest at Shillong on reservation policy. Later, a public meeting was held under the leadership of VPP executive member from East Giant Hills district, Dame Wanhi Rimbai. Addressing the meeting, Rimbai said that their demand on reservation policy will not end here, but it will continue till the government review the reservation policy.
Jadi kita cuma kelai mengor yungi, tau man go kawaman chi bacau na, tau kejing kerchan gorat ba, kawaman pura, ya kejing ki yong ba arden hetai haslong, kawai upen bori, ya ginong mikman, ki yong ina kini kita yungi, upen bori ya kesorkar, kawa uhimkia go, ya kini kejing ki kawajai jai ki yongi, kerkawaman kata ki kon kendro, ki kejaj beruhi ki yongi, dan bicar lene dang yaki yaksari daga nuguluti go suk daga nuguluti go jai go penkongu ye gini ke sarkar lembaga jingam yong i MLA hado le pon rungut tayu i kerkauman kate jingla yung por ki wituan ki political party dasdangi uklam ye gini reservation policy dengan ngajo jingla yung por ha go unang yogi ye kate jingche unang wan ki kita kejing perkat kuwa ukurun ki segeri kejal buru kuwa kadawa go yaki wole ne betayongi.
The State Tobacco Control Cell of Meghalaya has been recognized by the World Health Organization for its outstanding tobacco control efforts. This year, the prestigious WHO Director Southeast General Asia Region Award was bestowed upon the State Tobacco Control Cell. The anti-tobacco campaign has reached remarkable milestones, including the active participation of approximately 7,975 schools across the state. 4.9 lakh students have enthusiastically supported the campaign, demonstrating the unwavering dedication to the cause. With a reach of more than 3,500 villages, the campaign had successfully increased widespread awareness and participation. The Shubham Charitable Association, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Skill Development Mission, conducted a 1-month woodcraft training for the women of Meghalaya for the economic empowerment of women. About 30 young women participated, and they were trained by craft master Prakash Verma to make craftsmen for different types of wood. Through woodcraft training will be helped to start small-scale industries, Pushpa Bajaj, president of the association and founder of the organization, said that the association has been providing free training for various types of skill development for the economic empowerment of women for 25 years. The association has benefited more than 22,000 women in various fields since inception. The second edition of Kelvin Cinema Festival will be held from November 9th to 11th in Shillong. Filmmakers under the banner of Fraternity Art Cine Entertainment addressed a press conference yesterday to announce the festival. Announcing the film festival, filmmaker Dominic Sangma said that it aims to highlight and showcase talent of Northeast India and instill in inspiring filmmakers a sense of passion for cinema. The festival is only applicable for short films and documentary films made by Indian filmmakers in any language. It should neither be less than 10 minutes nor exceed a total time of 30 minutes, including titles and credits, and it will consider selected films to be screened in the Northeast premieres.
We as a filmmakers, what we realize is, until unless filmmakers come together, support each other, I don't think we are not going to grow. This is the poster that we are releasing today, and this is open. This competition is open for filmmakers from Meghalaya, and they can make us to a film, be it fiction, documentary, or whatever, for 5 minutes. It could be a film on environment and border issues. It can be any positive stories, negative stories, whatever they feel as a filmmakers. So just to kind of create a focus on particular village. So maybe in next edition we're going to choose other village to have a focus, so that in that way we're also going to build filmmakers from the state.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 23.3 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 14.7 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 94% and in the evening 80%. Forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs 8th meeting of Niti Aayog Governing Council. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate new Parliament building tomorrow. VPP Clearat Circle stages sit-in demonstration on reservation policy. And State Tobacco Control Cell receives prestigious WHO award for exemplary efforts in tobacco control. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.
मन की बात है जन जन की, संघर्षों के कुछ किस्से, कहानी कुछ सफलताओं की, अनकही विरासत की, उम्मीदें